Well, guess what? We got some more moles. And I got some more ordered coming. Okay. So these are interesting. Now, these two I think are exactly the same. But let me open this here. Now, this I'll probably have to adapt to because these are the hole is much smaller. It's not a 5/8 hole like everything else is. I'm not going to take it off. I'm just going to spin it. So these are 2-inch. Yep, 2-inch, both of them. Yep, skirt moles. So with these moles, you can take and tighten these two screws, which I have to get some more screws. Tighten these down and inject your plastics into here until it's coming out all these holes around the sides. And then when you open this up, see you can see that it's conical here and it's squared off here. So I don't really know for sure which side goes down, but the squared off side is the one they're showing that this one seems like it goes down and this side comes up with the little bevel in there. And so skirts for jigs, jig skirts or spinnerbait skirts, the little the little dangly leg skirts. And so that's what these molds are for. And so these are designed to do 2-inch, and I've got another one. It's just do that. That's larger. And so this one is 3 or 3.5 inch, I think. And so my thought was, I wish I could have. It was like almost $100, so I didn't buy it. But it was a 4.5 inch, and I figured that I could trim the skirt down if I wanted to. Now, if you'll notice that on this one, it is it looks like the legs are much more narrower, and of course you've got a greater quantity on the skirt. And I think this would probably be the main skirt that I would use. These being 2-inch skirts, they probably be about that long hanging off the jig or the spinnerbait. And so, in my opinion, they would be more suited for the real tiny spinnerbaits. More like, I don't know, smaller fish. Make a little small spinnerbait that the what was that called? Beetle spin, like a beetle spin, only with a skirt on it. So those smaller ones, I think, is what these would be more inclined to, and this right here would be more like the old white H&H's. And so I think that's what this skirt right here would be the main one that would be used, because you're going, white perch, bass, and whatever bite, but it's a larger bait, more suited to those larger fish. So anyway, another quick one. I appreciate you. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I enjoy spending time with you. And I'm asking you to subscribe. Come on, you can do it. Just hit that subscribe and thumbs up. So I appreciate you. I enjoy spending time with you. And I will see you next time.